Hi guys, welcome back. So this is going to be a video showing you the dried results of the last 5 videos. We have, this one is Zenith. This was, oh hello Zen. This was a straight pour with thick paint in a dirty cup with quinacridone violet, and Prussian blue, and gold. Just beautiful. We still don't have sun. I'm sorry. There's like crazy clouds. But at least they're all dry, and you can see them now. Hello, kitty, kitty, kitty. The inspector is here. Okay, so this one is Zenith. Turned out pretty cool. I'm going to get the next one. Okay, so this one is Moonlight. This was also a straight pour with a dirty cup with thick paint. Beautiful, beautiful gold cells in there. So pretty. With the Prussian blue and the quinacridone violet. Very pretty. Center, so this was the one that was sea spray in the moonlight with the clouds. Cool painting. I really like this one a lot. This is Moonlight. So this one is Fireflies at Dusk. Really, really cool. Just gorgeous. I love these like really wispy sections. Really pretty. The Prussian blue. Very cool. I love that with the sun on it. It's so pretty. Okay. So this one is a 14 by 14. This was testing the Treasured Gold Folk Art in Fire Opal. And this you can actually see the Fire Opal is actually beautifully orangey and not getting that pinkish sort of, well up there it's sort of pinkish. But this one turned out pretty cool. I love these cells in here. Really trippy. So this one kind of messed with my head a little bit because I was anticipating the Fire Opal being pinker, and it would have worked much better with that crimson, that quinacridone violet. I think it's quinacridone violet. But it did the orange thing on me this time. So it's possible maybe I had it mixed a little bit thicker with more paint initially, and that's why it stayed more orange. I also think putting it next to white, this looks really trippy from right here. It's not nearly as blingy as it is to my eye, but that's really cool. Anyway, so this was testing the folk art in the Fire Opal. Now I will get the last one for you. 1 second. Okay, this one is Kaleidoscope. This was the comb rect pour that I did with my daughter's princess comb. This turned out so pretty. Look at that area. Just really gorgeous. Very blingy. Very flowy. Very smooth. Nice luster. Shimmer to the metallics. Really cool piece. Or it could go this way. But this one is really, really pretty. I love this center part over here. Kind of like an exotic flower. Oh, there's the sun. Yay! Oh my God, I've been waiting so long. Look at that bling. Very pretty. Oh, I want to show you the other ones while it's sunny. Hang on. So this one is the test of the DecoArt Ready to Pour acrylics. Came out really, really pretty. I really like that a lot. So that's the 24 karat gold that I put in there. Very cool. Cool stuff. Thanks for hanging out with me, guys. I appreciate your patience and waiting for a week or so to see the dried results. Hopefully spring is here now and we're going to get a little bit more sun. And we'll be able to show you the dry ones at the end of each video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I will see you guys for the next one. Have a great day.